What's up guys, this is Kuroda with Certified Producer, and this is the Sakura scale. Okay, so the Sakura pentatonic scale, also known as the In scale, contains minor notes commonly heard in Japanese music, specifically music for the koto and the shamisen. The Sakura scale got its name due to its use in the well-known Japanese folk song Sakura Sakura. From the word pentatonic, penta means 5, and tonic means our first note. So this means the Sakura scale is a 5-note scale, and it is constructed with 1, a flat 2, a 4, 5, and a flat 6. Okay, this is the Sakura scale. Now if you listen to a lot of Japanese trap or hip-hop music, you can reference on how they make the melody pattern and create your own. So I have a melody here, let's listen to it. I also have some pads playing in the background, just a simple 3-chord pattern. We also have our 808s here. Construct your drum pattern and also add some effects. Okay, now let's listen to the whole track. Now if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, we really do appreciate it if you click on that subscribe button and turn on notification bell. Also, we have our own Discord where producers hang out and collab. We also do a one-on-one beat review with our coaches in the Discord, so if you want your beat to be assessed, I'll leave the Discord link in the description. And if you want new sounds for your beats, head over to certifiedproducer.com to get the latest sounds for your beats. And if you want to work with us directly, head over to the link in the description. Peace.